Hey guys, how you doing? How you doing? Just wanted to come on and show you what I'm looking at and how I actually trade. I trade the forex market, so I love the forex market, and this is a perfect time, guys, to learn this skill set. Organize your time, make some time to apply the skill set, because this is a skill set that will get you out of the rat race, because it's helped me get out of the rat race. It's helped a few of us traders. There's a lot in our circle, in our community, that have used this skill set in 2020 to get themselves out of the rat race. And the cool thing about this awesome skill set is it doesn't matter what's happening out there in the real world, okay? All you need is a Wi-Fi connection. You got a Wi-Fi connection, a laptop, or a phone, boom, boom, boom. Happy, you're happy. Just get it set up, guys. If this is really, really what you want to learn in the new year, I can help. I run free intro, free basics into forex trading, and you know, I teach you how it works and how you can get started, you know. And then if you really, really want to master it, you're going to put some skin in the game. Oh, it's everything, you know, it's all not for free. Hell no. You mean, you probably can master this, but you've got to, if you're serious, this is where you want to put your money. All right, a skill, any skill, it's education, it's knowledge, any skill you apply yourself to in 2021 is going to involve you putting your time in, putting some money into it, focusing, commitment, dedication, consistency, you know, all that good stuff, and an awesome community that can help you, can support you along your journey, right? So we got all that, you know. I have got a few, there's only a few of us, right? You know, not looking to teach the world. It's just all those that can commit themselves, you know. Don't want any time wasters here. Really come to the free forex trading sessions. If you like it, then, you know, we'll add you to our Telegram. If you don't, well, sweet eggs, you know, just carry on with your life. Anyway, this is how it works, guys. So this pair here is EU. EU is a major pair, and I love this pair. I only have a few pairs, right? You don't have to go and watch 10 pairs, you know. I mean, leave that for the masters or the advanced traders. But you can take the beauty about doing it with us and learning to apply it with our fantastic, awesome education platform, forex education platform, is that you can turn up, you can learn this, and you can earn at the same time, because we have master traders who actually teach us to trade, right? We can turn up to their live sessions, watch them trade, and take their trades. How cool is that? While we're getting our learn on. How cool is that, guys? And the thing with forex, man, you got all the bags here. We trade crypto, and we're going to have some awesome crypto trading live sessions for you lot interested in crypto, because, man, you ain't seen nothing yet. 2021 is this is the moon, time to moon. Everything's going to moon in 2021, no doubt. So we've got crypto, we've got currencies, we've got indices, we've got the big GER30s, US 30s, gold, silver, you know, you name it, stocks, you name it, you can trade it here with forex. And the beauty with forex is that you can sell into the market, and you can buy into market with the same pair. How cool is that? So just giving you an overview of what you see here. This is what we call market structure. We're doing a technical analysis on TradingView. I come here, I look at you know, what's the market structure, who's in control at the time when I'm looking at placing a trade for the day, and we can definitely see that the bulls are in control on the daily. Okay, awesome. So what are we doing? We're catching pips. We're catching pips at a certain level. You know, we're trapping at the price between certain key levels. You know, our price, our support and resistance levels. Trapping the pippies in between there for a scalper or sniper move. Yeah, we're called scalpers, we're the ninja snipers. You know, that's a term traders use. Scalping is like quick in and out before a few hours anyway in the day. And then you've got the intraday, that's the daily traders, and then you've got the ones the swing traders. They hold all their trades for longer, weeks, months, right? But we're in out by the day is out, right? So as you can see here, this candle here on the day. So if you were in this trade on the 31st of December, you could have picked up from the day, you know, picked up, let me see, about 98 pips. 98 pips in the day, guys. That's huge. And what we teach in our free forex, even in our education platform, that's just one of the methods that we use. It's a 20 pip and dip method. I use it all the time, and this is what I teach my students, is to just catch 20 pips. But this pair here, 98 pips, depending on your lot size. So if you had a dollar lot size, 98 pips is $98 for the day, USD, guys. So if you had a $10 lot size, that's 980 pips, $80 for 98 pips. All right, pips, pippies, we love to catch pips, we love to catch pippies. Okay, pips is a small move, a percentage, a little digital move that the pippy makes, or the candlestick makes during the day. Okay, so we only want to catch 20 pippies in that day, in and out, you know, within a couple of hours. So how cool is that, guys? So we've identified that on the daily it's in a bullish, the bulls are in control of this here. So we're looking at buys, but we want to just go in the market and catch 20 pips. So the structure will change. It will change the further you go down. Okay, so what can you see here? So we also get this awesome tool, guys. This is a free tool. When you really want to put your, you know, just slay it in 21 and put some skin in the game, you'll have to. If you want to master this, you've got to put some skin in the game, right? I've been in forex trading since the end of January, and I trade for real, and I only apply one method 100%, you know, of the time. One method, guys, and it's this method here that I'm showing you. And we get an indicator for this when you start your education. Okay, so what can you see here with this indicator? You can see that it shows you key levels, right? So anything, so I'm showing you candlesticks. Candlesticks only move three ways. Moves up, these green ones are up trend or buying. Okay, I'm taking buy trades. The red candles are sell trades, okay, selling into the market. And these ones that just go straight across like this, they're usually the small candles, the dojis. They just go side to side. You just leave them alone. You don't trade because they're indecision, they're consolidating. You just got to wait for the breakout, you know, sit on your hands or whatever, and you just want to look for the breakout and look for when the market starts to take off in a buy trade or in a sell trade. So on the hourly, it's going the pippies. So the candlesticks are the pippies, guys. So anything over this moving average, the moving average is like the awa or tangaro. So anytime you're seeing the pippies out of the water, that's a buy trade. You're taking buy trades. When you're seeing the pippies in the water, you're taking sell trades. So at the moment, on the 1 hour, it's under the water. Okay, it's trending on down, and the market's closed at the moment. So we're looking at taking the trades down. So I've already marked my vertical line. Okay, and I'm going to move down to the 5 minute. Okay, boom, boom. So here we go. All the pippies are under the water, and I just want to set up. I want to set up when the market opens again. Oh, it's Sunday. What's the day today? Oh, it's Saturday here. So the market doesn't open till Monday. So I'm just going to set it and forget it, right? And this is just a little bit of a train, or just show you what I do on the daily or when the markets are open. Anyway, so I've placed my risk to reward. I'm willing to risk 10 pips to catch 20 pips. It's all set up, you know. So you take these coordinates on the side here, you know, set it up, you know, so you're in the market at whatever 1.22. See all these numbers over here, 1.22160. That's your entry. Your stop loss is set at 1.22269, and your take profit is 20 pips, is set up at 1.21956. Boom, 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 boom. You know, in your MetaTrader on your phone, set it, forget it. That's it, guys. So awesome, awesome skill set that you can set up, right? You can learn and you can earn at the same time. And the cool thing here too, whānau, is that we are changing the game. I just thought this was dominated mostly by men. It was suits and ties, you know, the successful, the bankers, the whales, the people that had money was doing forex. But we can do it now that we know how this skill set works. Now that we know how to apply it, we are the game changers, especially the women. The women are the best traders, y'all. Yeah. Yes, the women, you know why? Because they know how to control their emotions better than the men do. See, well, I said it. There you go. So, my hubby is on the side going, not even now. Oh well, let's just have a competition. When you start trading and I start trading, then we can compare things. Okay. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. If you are interested, come to our free Forex sessions. We have them on the weekly. It's a new year. And we're going to slay it again. We're going to slay it like we did in 2020. It doesn't matter what's happening out there in the real world. As long as you can show up to the session, as long as you've got Wi-Fi, internet, all goods. You're in between your four walls, all goods. Lockdowns, all goods. You know, we can still bring money in with this skill set. So, yes, free Forex sessions start next week. We've got 3 traders on board, myself, Agitagi Law, and Andre Lenoris, bringing you the source. Come and participate, come and check it out. And if you want more info, just PM me and I'll send you over the info and come and join us. We've got a supportive community that's growing by the day. And you're not going to be alone. You've got us to support you. I'll be your coach, your mentor, and you have coaches and mentors from the Master Traders Circle. So yeah, we got this. If this is what you want to do, come and check out the free Forex sessions first. Anyway, that's it from me. I'm going out there. It's our last day here in Noosaville. We're going to make it great, having a good awesome day out there on the beach somewhere. Anyway, thank you. I'm out of here. Happy New Year, everyone. Bye for now.